Hello everyone, today we talk about how to install daytime module in Python. It's very easy step. Okay, open command prompt. Before type the command, you check the internet connection right now and click the run as administrator. Okay, now command prompt is ready. Here type the following code. Okay, and open the Python software, click in new file and here save it. td.py and now I copy the file path and save it. Type cd space, paste the file path. Here type python -m pip install date time, enter. Okay, here requirement already satisfied. Satisfied means I already installed the module. There is no issue. Now here write any basics example daytime module. Here wait. Okay, first we type import space daytime, install the module. Okay, then I zoom the programming section, import the module and type daytime underscore object. Here we see about current date and time. Okay, underscore object equal date time dot date time dot now. Now open brace close space, click enter and click print open brace date time underscore object. Okay, and save once and save the program and click run module. Okay, here date time. Once again I zoom the output section. Here we see current date and time. Thanks for watching video. Hit like button.